are getting ready to make beer can chicken. Now after opening it, I poured out about a quarter of it, and then we're cutting slots and going to push this tab down. Then I'm going to drop a couple of garlic cloves inside. Now we're going to add some seasoning, and we're going to get this thing set in there. And now that's Head Country seasoning. I like it just as much as I like the Head Country barbecue sauce. Spread over with a little bit of olive oil, and then we're going to put some Slap Your Mama on it. Now we just give it a dust and just sprinkle it all over, just a dusting of this Slap Your Mama on both sides and everything. A little to the inside. And get some on this back side and the wings and all. It will turn out fantastic. Now I'm going to put a little bit of SPG on it. I always like this salt, pepper, garlic. It makes everything taste great. A little SPG to the inside. And now with some of that Head Country seasoning. This is good stuff. This bottle's about out. I got some more up there in the cabinet, but we're going to finish using this up. Everything will be dusted really good with this. I'll get a little thicker on there. Now we'll get it set on the stand there and get it placed in there, tuck its wings behind him, and get him ready to set on the grill. Well, he wasn't wanting to keep that wing back there, was he? Well, I was getting charcoal ready. Hey, look at that. Looks good. Now I'm going to place these charcoal in kind of an area to the sides, but more to one end. I guess you'd say it's round, so I don't guess it has an end. But you'll understand what I'm talking about. And then I'm going to put a pan in between it. Charcoal's ready. Put our pan down in there, drip pan. Get our grill grate back on there. And now for the chicken. Ooh, this is going to be good. I tell you right now, going to be mighty larping. And I'm going to use the MeatStick X to monitor the internal temperature of this chicken. Making sure none of the metal probe is showing. Now I'm going to place it right in the middle, the best I can, and I think that's going to work out great right there. And place the lid on it and let it cook. Now, not shown, I did place some apple chips around on the coals. Top and bottom vents wide open. Internal temperature at 20 minutes in. And shows the kettle at around 350. Here we are at 1 hour and 4 minutes in. 1 hour and 7 minutes is giving us our early warning, 160 degrees. Now 1 hour and 22 minutes, it says it's ready. So we're going to check this. Look at that. That looks fantastic. Oh yeah, we'll get it off of there and get it in the house. This turned out really good, tender, juicy, and it was delicious, and it was completely done. 1 hour and 22 minutes. And look at the juice coming out of it. It is fantastic. Oh yeah, there's a lot of juice in there. We'll slice off a piece here, and I do taste it off camera, but juice is flowing there, and it is delicious. This chicken was juicy and moist throughout. The only thing I think I'll do different the next time is halfway through go out and rotate it. Otherwise, it turned out perfect. Juicy, moist, tender. Oh, I just would like to get a little bit more crispy on the skin. And probably the rotating may work. Who knows? Anyways, if you liked the video, give it a thumbs up. And if you're not a subscriber, I hope you consider subscribing.